Hello friends, it's Nails by Rey and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do chrome on your Gel X nails. So sit back, relax, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already, and let's get on with this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply a layer of base coat to all of my nails and cure that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds. And if you are interested to see how I prepped my nails and applied my nail tips, please check out my previous video. That was literally the video I posted yesterday. So please check that out if you're interested to see how I started off my nail set. And feel free to skip ahead to the chrome application portion of my video if you are interested in just seeing how that is done. I will have chapters in my video, so all you have to do is click on the chapter that says chrome application and there you go.
Calm down, sugar be words, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get payback. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me dysfunction. I like when you come, never stay the whole night. Better when you hide, never tell me I'm wrong, cause my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My, how the times change. You still talking about babies, and I'm still taking a Grammy. It's so embarrassing.
For this set, I wanted to lay down a layer of nude, not polygel. I'm so used to talking about polygel. I wanted to lay down a layer of nude gel polish. You don't have to use any gel polish color or this color in particular before laying your chrome down, but I just wanted to see what it would look like if I had two layers of this nude gel polish underneath. If you want to, you can just exclude this part and skip over to applying top coat, no wipe top coat, the chrome powder, and then a no wipe top coat on top, because that's essentially how you do this set.
Hacer mucho pa' calentarte. Yo solo te miré y tú me entendiste. Cuando las ganas insisten, no se pueden aguantar. Baby, ya estamos solos, nadie molesta. Como me miran tus ojos, la voy a cara revienta. Baby, hoy te voy a chingar, en la vida vas a brincarme. Siempre me vas a amar, yo soy el dueño de todo tu parte. Hoy te voy a chingar, voy a hacer que nunca puedas olvidarme. Tú y yo nos vamos a matar, hasta que te venga no voy a quitarme.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch. I do it all that I'm around. You kidding? I'm not. Long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. My bitch skinny, do it. I joke bodies.
Next, I'm gonna go in with some no wipe top coat. I'm using this top coat from Beetles, and I'm just gonna apply a layer of this to all of my nails and cure that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds.
And I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't without you. Without with you, I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That wave it with the bob, I'll be your main one. This place is argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Last habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. On the ground when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. Yeah. It ain't no fear in you. I ain't too scared to shoot.
So now onto the moment you've been waiting for. It's the chrome application part. So this is a chrome that I got a part of a set. It's a collection of like 20 chrome powders, and for this one I decided to go with the sparkly hot pink design. Oh, I'm saying design, it's not a design, it's a color. And in this kit, each of these colors comes with a dual-sided sponge. I also have a silicone tool because I wanted to try out using the tool to apply the chrome first and then going with the sponge, but I only ended up using the silicone tool once. It's okay, but I think I prefer the sponge better. All that I'm doing to apply the chrome is grabbing some of that chrome powder and just rubbing it onto the nail. And when you apply the no wipe top coat beforehand, make sure you're applying it to the entire nail or the areas in which you want to add the chrome to. And after you've cured that for 60 seconds, it's basically ready for you to apply the chrome. It should stick to it perfectly, whether you use a silicone tool, the sponge tool, or even your finger.
You can take it out of me. Tell me what it's about to be. Really feels bound to be. I can't tell no one but I know what I want you. I can remember I want you. It's just me, it's just me. Making me think about someone new. You know I got so much to say. I try to hide it in my face and you don't know what you should do. But I just wanna get with you and you're right. You're right, right. Got like you, but I can't help it. I want you to say you right.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing slots in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. But you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But you don't stutter till I get out. run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my face.
So now that my chrome is all applied, I'm going to go in with some no wipe top coat and apply that to my nails. I have a specific top coat that I use only for chrome designs because the glitter from the chrome will kind of get onto the brush. So I try to wipe off as much as I can on like a napkin on the side before I dip it back into the bottle, but at some point I just gave up. So if you feel like it's necessary, you can have a special chrome specific top coat like I do, and after you've applied your top coat to your nails, just cure them for about 60 seconds.
You wanna dip, how you wanna spin, but you wanna be who you wanna be. I'm stunner till I get spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's, there's a beanbag. Got me going jeans, cause I'm cool, right? Checking from my fan life is fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. Living like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic. Ran it up by the condo, got a new edit. Now the VV's with a V-long jean jacket. They can see me even if you had 3D glasses. Bad bitch in the bikini, she from Calabasas. Got a pocket full of blue cheese and some green relish. I'm a psycho for these hundreds, got a cash fetish. I've been studying these hundreds, I'm a mathematic. And this love make me wanna buy my dedicated. Since the love got me geeked up, I don't need a head. Drake gold, let these niggas know we've already.
And lastly, I am going to be adding some cuticle oil and massaging that into my skin.
I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's, there's a beanbag. Got me going jeans, cause I'm cool, right? She know she was overseas, they were panning up. Shop in Tokyo, Japan, they the best up. Blue pair t-shirt, sleeve button up. Hot top, turn a vert, riding anywhere. Ain't got a band down, this ain't a propeller. Man, we spend it down, copping Gucci sweaters. They the drippin' niggas drowning, I cannot help them. Used to boom, now the guys, we are not the devil. Got Colombia the times out of Mexico. Spent the beds 100 times, still smell dope. Got some pimp, feel applying, feel like Velcro. My bitch fine and love shopping on Rodeo. I be if you don't want copy, visit day, yo.
Alrighty you guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I hope you guys loved how these chrome nails came out, and if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.
Going jeans cause I'm cool, right? On the spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat. Aim a lot of sticks like a laser tag. Fuck a rich bitch, having rich set. Smoke a lot of trees, need a weed plant. I did take a lean where the lean at. Sleeping on these G's, there's a beanbag. Got me going jeans cause I'm cool.